Welcome to our review of the Premier Inn West Quay in Southampton. Find out what we liked and find out what we didn't like.
Right then, so for our stay in Southampton, we've spent the last 2 nights in the Premier Inn in West Quay. For those of you who don't know Premier Inn, it's a really well-known UK brand, isn't it, of hotels.
Yes.
That are very reasonable. We paid
budget brand, I would
they are a budget brand. We paid what, £42
£42 a night.
£42 a night. And we're right in the centre of Southampton. We're right by West Quay, if you can see out here.
I could possibly move that curtain. It'd probably fall down, but there you go. Look.
So you can see we're literally 2 minutes, well, 1 minute walk from West Quay, isn't it, Pauline? Yes. So perfect location. I must say the beds, Premier Inn, are renowned for having really comfortable beds, and this hasn't disappointed at all, has it, Paul? Been really good, really roomy room, with a spare bed here if you're travelling with your family.
A chaise lounge.
A chaise lounge, is it, Paul?
A chaise lounge.
Big telly, which Paul has been watching a little bit of.
Yeah.
Got everything you wanted on there.
Well, I had things to watch, yeah.
Lots of plug sockets, which is always good to see. The only plug socket they didn't have was on my side of the bed here, but that wasn't the end of the world. But you've got obviously your lamps and a plug socket on this side. So with all our electronics and stuff, that's been really useful, hasn't it?
Yeah.
We've got tea and coffee facilities. We asked for an extra pillow and we got that really easily, wasn't it, Paul? Yeah. They always have open plan wardrobes, which is always a bit odd, but it serves a purpose, doesn't it? Mirror, and then you've got a hairdryer. Premier Inn's always come with a decent sized bathroom as well, with a bath. Paulie's doing the hairdryer test. Oh, quite strong. Lovely. Anyway, back to the bathroom. You don't have to bring your body gel or soap because they've got it on the wall, but it is a bathroom. Toilet, etc. What more can you say? But I must admit, we've enjoyed our time in Southampton. We'll link to our vlogs here. It's becoming one of our favourite cities to visit in the UK.
Go-to places.
It is. Every time we come here, we discover a little bit more. So
we always like what we see.
We do.
Yes.
So I'm sure we will be back. But if you do want to stay in the centre of Southampton at a very good price, then we would recommend the Premier Inn. The only thing we wouldn't recommend is we've just had breakfast, which was £8.99, which we pre-booked yesterday.
Yes.
The staff were lovely and friendly and very helpful. However, they're just up against it. We waited nearly an hour, didn't we?
I would describe it as painful.
It was painful.
30 minutes. We booked in for 10 o'clock. It took probably 25 or 30 minutes before they took our order.
Yeah.
25 minutes later, they come and asked us if we'd like anything else. And I said, yes, we would like the breakfast we ordered.
Yeah.
They was like, oh. So 10 minutes after that, so it was about an hour and 5 minutes, they brought our breakfast out. Beans were stone cold.
Yeah, there was elements were cold.
Mushrooms were stone cold.
But good sausages.
Good sausages, good bacon, egg cooked to perfection.
Yeah.
I ordered some pastries, they didn't arrive at all.
Yeah.
But other than that, I can't fault it.
So I don't think we will be booking another Premier Inn breakfast because that wasn't the best experience.
I know they're trying to do with the COVID thing. It's all
I don't think they had enough staff.
Well, they didn't have enough staff. And
they were run ragged, weren't they?
It wasn't like they had to make 500 different dishes. It was basically sausage, egg, bacon, beans, toast, and it still seemed like it was too difficult. But I think we can conclude that we won't be doing that again. But we will be staying at Premier again, and that's definite. So, yeah, so there we are. We're back home to Gloucester now, so we'll catch you later. Thanks for watching. Why not watch one of these videos next?